Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make a presentation about transistor as a switch. So transistor as a switch. Transistor will operate as a switch in operating region, which is saturation on, and cut off region, which is off. So we move to the operating region. The operational zones of transistor switch are the saturation region and cut-off region. This implies that the transistor is employed as a switch by alternating between the on state saturation and the off state absolute off, ignoring its usual operating point and the voltage divider circuit used for amplification. Next is cut-off region. Cut-off region state which is off. When the transistor is in the fully off state, it operates under specific condition. This condition include having zero input base current IB, current zero output collector current IC, and maximum collector voltage VCE. This condition cause a significant depletion layer to form within the transistor, preventing any current from flowing through it. As a result, the transistor is effectively switched to the fully off state. So there is a cut-off region characteristic. First, the transistor is used as an open switch, which is off condition. Second, the bases and input are grounded 0 volt. Third, the base emitter voltage is VBE lower than 0.7 volt. Next, the basic emitter is reverse bias. Next, the fully off cut-off area transistor collector flow equal to 0. Next, Vout equal to VCE equal to VCC equal to 1. And lastly, no collector current flow IC equal to 0. Next, we move to the saturation region. Saturation region state, which is on condition. Both of the BJT junctions must be forward biased for the transistor to operate in the saturation zone. As a result, the base current can be set to the maximum value, producing the maximum collector current. The width of the depletion layer is as narrow as feasible due to forward bias junction, resulting in the least amount of collector emitter voltage loss. As a result of the transistor maximum amount of current passing through it, the switch is closed, which is on condition. So there is also a saturation region characteristic. First, the transistor is used as an closed switch. Second, base collector junction is forward biased. Third, base emitter voltage VBE more than 0.7 volt. Next, base emitter junction is forward biased. Next, max collector current flow IC equal to VCC over RL. Next, Vout equal to VCE equal to 0. And lastly, VCE equal to 0, which is ideal saturation. So we move to the application of transistor as a switch. The practical failure that serve as a switch for transistor is the LED features, which is used the most frequently. Next, by modifying the circuit in order to link and control some external device in relation to the relay operation can be controlled. Then, next, the DC motors can be managed and controlled using this transistor concept. The engine is started and stopped using this program. The transistor frequency values can be changed to change the motor speed. I think that's all from me. Thank you.